Kapuso actor David Licauco revealed what Catherine Bernardo said to him on stage during the Bench Body of Work fashion show. Before becoming an actor, David had done modeling stints. He eventually ventured into showbiz in 2017. From that, he became one of the most in-demand actors of GMA Network. He is currently in a love team partnership with Kapuso primetime princess Barbie Forteza. The actor recalled the beginning of his career in the recent episode of Tony Talks, the YouTube talk show of ultimate multimedia star Tony Gonzaga. David Licauco admitted that initially, he did not like acting because he never planned to be in the entertainment industry. As time went by, he learned to love his job as an actor and became open to acting workshops to improve. He could say that people really noticed his acting through his character Fidel in the series Maria Clara at Ibarra, which launched his on-screen partnership with Barbie, who portrayed the character of Clay. During the Tony Talks interview, David was asked about the connection he has with Barbie. He is aware of the shipping that fans do since he and Barbie are now both single. David said that there is definitely pressure, but he is not thinking of this as something negative. David was also asked about the physical qualities that he likes in a woman. He said that he wants someone who is maganda, chinita na hindi masyadong chinita. When it comes to a woman's personality, David said that he wants someone who is genuinely nice. Someone who's in touch with life, he added. Tony Gonzaga also asked David Licauco about the Bench fashion show this year because people noticed that he looked in Catherine Bernardo's direction, which was a bit behind him. Napatingin lang ako sa kanya kasi dumaan siya eh. May sinabi lang siya sa akin, nakalimutan ko, tapos parang sinabi niya na let's go, he said. Previously, David admitted that he has been a big fan of Catherine, and that he watched the actress's movie with Daniel Padilla.